It's really hard.
It's really hard?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Clear, stop clear. I want my whole new world.
Ano? Changes ba? Changes yung after ko mag-antibiotic. Mas babalik na naman daw ako doon. The doctor?
Yeah.
Morning mga kachika. Morning sa.
A castle, more castle.
Castle again. Here, okay. Dali. Yay, slippery. There, tita Bruma. Ah. We're gonna go on the bus now, yeah?
Yeah, I have the narrow one.
Go on that one?
No.
It's for daddy, she said. Okay, let's go.
Let's go, Mom.
Where's your gloves?
Oh, I forgot.
Huh?
It's really hard.
It's really hard.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Huh? Yeah, we got on the bus now. No. I think we have to go this way. Bus there? No, not yet.
We have to go to another one bus.
Dito na kami sa bus stop mga kachika. Kailangan namin mag-bus pa uwi pala kasi ako. Hinihingal naman ako. Hihutoy ako sa pag malamigan ako mga kachika ba. Magbabas kami ni Alisa kasi si Mr. may lakad. Paano siya ng sasakyan. Gusto ko sana na pupunta kami ng town. Diretso kami ng town kasi pag pupunta kami ng town, although dalawang sakay naman bago kami makarating sa bahay, matagal nga. Kaso malapit-lapit lang yung lalakarin namin. Unlike pag sasakay kami ngayon ng bus, papunta doon malapit sa school nila Alina, matagal-tagal yung lalakarin namin. Siguro abutin kami nito mga 1 oras o 40 minutes. Kaya mahina lang man yung lalakad namin ito. Lalo na kasama ko si Alisa.
Want to go in the town.
Go to the town? Yeah. Oh no, the bus is gone. We missed the bus. Let's going to the town now. See, we cannot go to the town. Alisa wants to go to the town. So we cannot go now because we missed the bus. See, it's there. Oh no. Diyan ako nagpa-check up mga kachika. Brunel Medical Practice. Lumipat wala kami dito sa kabila na bus stop. Bus stop.
Bus time.
Papunta na lang kami ng town mga kachika.
Castle.
Ang Alisa pupunta na lang daw kami ng town. Kasalanan ko rin naman. Kasi sabi ko kasi sa kanya na pupunta tayo ng town. Kaya ngayon naalala niya. Diretso na kami. Yung taon nga. Parang hindi super layo lang yung lalakarin namin mga kachika ba. B. Different one, no? They changed it. Security pirate? Okay, tara. Okay, get inside. They changed the cars, the new ones now. You can tell it's new kay wala pang gas-gas yung mga anuhan. Isang sakay, £1.50. Dalawang sakay, £3. Sige, tara na. It's a garbage truck. Recycle, yeah. It's a recycle truck. Sabi ko na chinens nila. Hindi to ganito dati. Maganda na yung pinaglalagay nila. Nandiyan pa man yung Christmas tree. Sports car na. Okay. Pagod na ako sa ubo ko na itong mga kachika. Ngayon, nagpa-check up naman ako pero hindi pa man agad-agad din makuha yung medicine. Mamaya pa daw available mga 3-4 o'clock ng hapon. So mag-1 o'clock pa lang. Pag nakadating mamaya ni Mr., papakuha ko na lang yun sa kanya doon sa boots na yung malapit doon sa MNS. Doon daw kukunin mga kachika. Sabi naman ng doktor, ano daw to yung bronchitis mga kachika pa, pero okay na ba siya, ganun. Tapos, sabi niya, tinanong niya ako kung may ano daw, kung may asthma, ba ron ako na asthma. Sabi ko, sa anong mga kabataan namin, meron kami mga asthma, ganun, pero, sabi niya na, ano daw yung gamot na iniinom ko nung nagkaka-asthma ako ba nung bata pa nga. Sabi ko, wala naman yung mga medication dati. Kasi, totoo din naman na, excuse me, walang gamot kami na iniinom dati mga kasika. Mga herbal lang ba? Agoy, ginoo ko. Sabi niya, bibigyan pa din kita ng ano daw. Although pawala naman daw yung bronchitis mo, it's getting better daw. Tapos, inano niya naman, chinek naman yung likod ko. Sabi niya, getting better, pero bibigyan pa rin kita ng antibiotic. Tapos yun nga yung kukunin pa lang namin mamaya, or si Mr. na lang yung kukuha nun.
I want my whole new world. Building stop the light, stand tiny as it stays someday. Oh my gosh, special. Who is sad? Who understand the star? Something in the sun is scattered. Maybe something in the safety. Almost there. Almost there. People are gonna be everywhere. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Almost there. People gonna be everywhere. I'm almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Alaska, see the fall.
2 o'clock na mga kachika. Nanghingi si Lisa ng pasta. Nagkain naman yung chicken na doon ng sandwich sa Costa. Tapos, syempre, hindi enough yun eh. Papakainin ko din siya ng soup at saka rice. Kaya nag-breakfast din naman yun siya. Bago kami umalis kanina, pina-breakfast ko muna yun siya. Kasi alas 10 na din yun eh. Umalis kami dito sa bahay. Nagmadali na ako pagpakainin ko na kayo. Alis din kami. Message sa akin si Mr. na mag-ano daw siya. Magpupod-shopping daw kami kasi may mga kailangan kami ng kachika. Tapos yun, pick upin na lang namin yung pick upin namin yung
We're gonna paint this box.
oh, okay, okay. Yung aking gamot ba mga kachika sa yung ano ba, yung antibiotic ba na yung sa aking resita ng doktor. Binisan ko lang ito para malinis pa dito kapag kabalik namin mamaya. Para may magawa naman ako kahit paano. kasi wala pa talaga akong nagawa simula. Pagkagising ka na sa umaga, syempre nag-ready kay Alina. Po si Mr. naman yung naghatid kay Alina sa school. Hindi na ako. Kaya ni Mr. muna ng ano kasi mas maaga pa, sobrang lamig. Then, tapos yun, nagpa-appointment nga din ako. Buti na lang nakakuha agad ako ng ng appointment time. Tinawagan agad ako, sabi ng 10:30. Kaya nagdali agad kami na. Uy! Natid kami ni Mr. Doon natin na table, be.
It's so wet.
Yeah, it's wet. It looks wet.
Yellow. Okay.
Ay!
Then I lost it. Wet. Okay. Just all wet.
Wow, that's nice color. It's like a Philippine flag. Yellow, blue, red.
And make
Wow,
the
well-
rainbow pumpkin and can make the rainbow unicorn.
Very good.
I can do rainbow. Okay, we're gonna get started.
Basa-basa ako na mga comment. May nag-comment doon mga kachika ba na parang na daw akong may TV. Gabi naman yung TV. Uy, inubo ka lang. TV na agad. Kain tayo mga kachika. Masarap.
I need more yellow. Done. Mom, I'm done painting. Okay, done. You have to wait for it to dry. Okay, you have to wait for it to dry. And that one. And more. I need yellow.
How's Colby?
Good.
Very good.
Now I play Grace, Layla, and Phoebe.
Oh, that's nice.
So I play Layla and Grace.
Did you do PE
At
today?
lunch, yes. At lunch, and I play Phoebe. It's afternoon. Stop. That's 5 feet. 5 to say, Mama.
You staying here with me? Okay, Alisa, you go in Daddy Alina's side, please. You go in Alina's side. Alina, stay with me. Bino.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Where's your hat?
Oh.
Hat under your bag, Lina. Gamit-gamit na Lina yung backpack ko. Yung ginagamit ko sa work.
Something dropped.
Yeah, I know I did, yeah.
Sige na.
You're gonna read my book and eat slime on my lunch.
Okay. Have something there to eat.
Okay.
You got new book?
No.
You got new book? No. Si Mr. na yung kukuha doon ng prescription ko.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask Phoebe. It's okay if Phoebe can come to my house.
Next time.
Yeah, on the weekend I'm talking. On Saturday. We're gonna me and Phoebe going. If you like, it's okay if Phoebe can write it in our house. We're gonna make the box you made.
Okay. Okay, so yun na nga. Hindi na nga. Sabi ko kay Mr. na hindi na ako sasama nga. Kasi ayoko na nga sanang lumabas mga kachika. Kasi malamig ba. Sabi niya, sama ka na lang kasi baka daw.
Sweet.
di ba ibigay sa kanya ba yung prescription ko. Tapos nandito na ako, sabi naman niya siya na daw yung kukuha doon. Pero pwede naman ako kung hindi bibigay sa kanya. So at least nandito na ako para ako na lang din magpunta doon. Okay? Eat your food. What did you have for eat earlier? Eat some more.
I ate a little bit of the sausage roll.
How about the wrap? Finish the wrap.
Okay.
Wrap yung baon niya at saka ano. Sausage roll.
Good job. Go scarf today. Good job. You go scarf. Cover your mouth.
Kagabi wala akong tulog na maayos. Sa ubo ko ba?
Like you feel a bit better. Like here.
Sabi naman ng doktor na pag wala pa rin daw ano, changes yung after ko mag-antibiotic, as babalik na naman daw ako doon. The doctor?
Yeah.
Man.
Oh. You know the man you watched in the video?
No, wasn't that one, no.
Was it different man? What's he look like? You forgot.
British man.
Rich?
British.
Rich as well. Wait, that rich. I was like, what? Rich?
Ang tigas ng buhok ko ba? How's your wrap?
Good.
Good?
It's not raining good now because I didn't eat much.
Okay, I'll get you a sandwich. Or pizza. And cafe.
Yeah, we had pizza last night.
Sandwich na lang.
Butch.
You need to go back to get the medicine, B. They wasn't ready earlier.
Balik boots kami. It's boots. Sana ready na yon. Tama makainom ako pagdating namin sa bahay.
You said that's what you got, bronchitis.
Yeah, bronchitis.
What is that?
Like bronchitis, and then you get more and get worse and worse, become pneumonia.
Oh, that's what you said?
Ito pala yung binigay sa akin mga kachika. 6 na piraso lang siya, 6 na capsule.
Pneumonia.
Post na ka.
I've had old pneumonia, but not pneumonia.
Ano siya? 6 capsule siya na doxycycline. Ganun. Doxycycline. And then, nag-take na ako ng 2 kasi sabi dito na 2 to be taken on the first day. And then, 1 to be taken each day. So, binigyan ako ng 6 na ganito. So, nag-take na ako ng 2. Good for 5 days lang siya. So, tomorrow is the next day, again. Hanggang matapos ko siya. Ayan. So, ayan na yung pinanta doon ni Mr. Ano pa lang naman, 5:45 pa lang mga kachika. Magpapakain na kami sa mga bata. Mag-ano lang sila, salmon at saka broccoli, rice. Ang madalian lang. Kami naman ay duck leg. Saka ito.
Broccoli's in already,
Okay. Kasi kailangan na lutuin din ito. Last week niya pa ito binili.
I bought wine for weeks.
Oh, weeks. Yeah, weeks.
Yeah,
Put it
When?
First New Year, before New Year.
Well, it's not last week, is it?
No, it's not last week. No. Last time I drink was New Year's Eve.
And how do you get bronchitis then?
If you cough like that,
Eh? No, how do you get it?
I don't know how you get bronchitis.
Have you had it before?
Hmm?
Have you had it before?
I haven't have cough like this long.
No. Have you had it before?
No,
Never.
no,
Never had a cough like that?
no.
Cold weather. Must be. Huh?
Yeah.
Or is it something you can catch from somebody else?
I don't know. Because he asked if anyone got like that in your at home. I said no.
Oh, you've done it at work. Ah. That job could be.
Huh?
All kinds of things there.
Yeah.
Huh? This is cooking me now.
So,
My wife and me, she's cooked.
somebody said I got tuberculosis.
Hey?
Yeah.
No.
Said you got tuberculosis.
Who says?
Oh,
Who says that?
and a comment.
Yeah, well,
Huh?
they would say that, wouldn't they? They would say that.